Good morning, my dear students. In this video, I will teach you the second lesson of your textbook, files and folders. The first concept is file. So, what is file? A collection of information that is stored under one name is called a file. So, what is file? A collection of information that is stored under one name is called a file. This information could be in the form of text, images, music or videos. On a computer's files are represented by icons. So it is easy to recognize what type of files it is by looking at its icon. So here are some of the common file icons is there. See the picture, the first one represent a text file. The second one is WordPad file, and third one is this picture represent the Word file, and the fourth one is it is an example of a picture. Okay, this represent the picture file, and fifth one is audio file, and sixth one is the example of video file. So these are the some common files icons we can see in the computer. Next one is folder. The first one is file and second one is folder. A group of files of similar type is called a folder. So a group of files of a similar type is called a folder. Here there are two types of folders there. The one is represent an empty folder and another is represent a folder that contain files or other subfolders. See this picture. This picture represent an empty folder. It is usually named new folder until you give a name. So see the second picture. This picture represent a folder that contain files or other subfolders. So here folders and subfolders. So two classifications is there. A folder can also store their folder, other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. So folder is there and subfolder is there. Subfolder means a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. ಒಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಬ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if I created a folder called class 6th, okay, under that class 6th folder I will create the 30 folders of your students of a 6th class, one by one folder. For each student I will create one folder. So that is subfolders. 30 subfolders, one main folder class 6, that is the main folders, and remaining 30 folders there now inside the class 6th folder. That the 30 folders are called as subfolders. So the folder within a folder is called a subfolders. You can create any number of folders, and when a subfolders can have any number of files and other subfolders. Next one is libraries. Okay, in Windows, libraries is a features that help us to store and recognize our files and folders. So I will show on the picture which is in your textbook, which helps you to understand this concept very quickly. Okay, by default there are 4 libraries in Windows. See the picture. The first one is document library, the second one is picture library, and third one is music library, and fourth one is video library. Okay, the first one is document library. So it is used to store and organize text file, that is notepad, wordpad documents, word documents, spreadsheet, that means Excel, and representation, and that means PPT, PowerPoint presentations, etc. That is a document library. So another one is, the second one is picture library. It is used to store and organize pictures such as photographs or images from your camera, scanners or emails, even though WhatsApps. So the name represent picture library. Okay, by default all pictures that you save, move or copy are stored in my picture folders in a picture library. And third one is music library. So it is used to store and recognize music such as songs that you pick from audio CDs or that you download from internet, from your mobiles, from your pen drives, etc. Then fourth one is video library. So it is used to store and recognize videos such as clip from your digital camera or com recorder or videos files that you download from internet or from your mobiles or from other sources, etc. So these are some basic four libraries in Windows.